Hey everyone, it's Armen from ArmensCraftRoom. Today is December 1st, 2025, and let's check out the Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. There are 24 days in here. Everything is supposed to be non-holiday, i.e. year-round crafting fun, and let's see what they've got for us today. The plan is to open one box every day and share some projects. So before we get started, you can see they are perforated and they have a little notch that you can open. These are really pretty. You could use the doors for card fronts in the future if you wanted. So just run our little pokey tool through. Alright, now I'm going to cut these doors off for storage purposes because it shows you what you're getting. Alright, now I'm going to, this might be a stamp I'm thinking. Oh no, a die. Alright. They are stuck in there, guys. Okay. I'm quite impressed when you think about how many windows there's. Just 24 windows, and this is how much detail is in this one die. This is quite great. Alright, so if you think about it, on the website you probably pay like $7 if you bought this separately. Alright, so we've got the dog and the body. Looks like some spots, a tail, some paws, and a woof woof. A woof you, I guess. Let's see. There we go. And that means this would be the back of the head and the ears. Alright, let's see what I can come up with this. Alright everybody, here are the cards I made with day one of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. It was this cute little dog die, and it had a die that said I woof you. This sentiment Happy Bark Day came from a Your Next stamp set, and the balloons are a die from scrapbook.com, and the balloon strings and the bow are a die from Impression Obsession. And the paper here is assorted, Stampin' Up, Spellbinders color wheel, and Michael's Recollections. Same supplies for this one. Basically I just took striped background cards that I had laying around extra, and I added die cuts, and balloons are appropriate. Here's the I woof you sentiment that came in the box. Here he's on some vellum with some pattern paper. Another I woof you. I think this one is so cute. I made quite a few cards, and I have some extra dogs that I cut out as well. And then our final one, this one's a little extra special with a smile pop-up on the inside, and that smile pop-up is I believe lawn fawn die. And this stitch circle is waffle flowers.
I'd love to know which card is your favorite. Please let me know in the comments below, and hit the like button so YouTube will know to send this to other people looking for Advent inspiration. I'll be posting the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar throughout December 2025. Subscribing to my channel is free and allows you to find my videos faster. If you'd like to know when my videos are posted, click on the notification button and select your preferred notification frequency. If you're also crafting with this calendar, please tag me. I'd love to see your projects.